everyone, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am reviewing the Dyson Air Wrap dryer today. I did just recently purchase this. I've had my eye on it for a little while, and to be quite honest with you, I didn't know that I would ever purchase it. The barrel seemed really intimidating to me. I felt like it was a big gimmick and I didn't think it would work. When I saw this and actually saw Nicole Guerrero do her review on it, I thought maybe I should give it a try. It looks pretty easy to use, and that's exactly how I would normally wear my hair. So I did some research, finally purchased it, and the first time that I'm going to be using it is today. So what you're seeing is me learning myself how to use it on my own hair. I did realize halfway through that the barrels have a directional arrow on them, so that was a little funny because I did not change the barrel once all the way through, so all of my hair is being flipped that way, even on this side. If I would have, you can kind of see how it's swooping in, this side swooping out, but if I would have changed the barrel, I bet it would have come out a lot better. Super easy to use. The nozzles are amazing. Every single one of them I see myself using, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. My hair is very bouncy. I blew out my bangs a little bit too big, so they'll eventually fall, but this is how my hair looks after the blowout with the curling wand, and I use the regular brush head to do my bangs, my fringe area. If you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
So the package comes in a leather storage case, which is really nice. When you first open the box, it has a little diagram of all the different ways you can wear your hair, and then everything is sorted by different style wand attachment. So you have a standard blow dryer attachment, 2 different size wands, 2 different size paddle brushes, and then of course a spiral brush. And then of course you have the wand that's packaged separately on its own in the front of the box. So to start, my hair was already washed and it's wrapped in a towel. Should be pretty damp and ready to be blow dried. I love these things from Amazon. And now while my hair is wet, I will take 2 different products after I blow dry my hair slightly, just a little bit to get some moisture out. This attachment's locked in, and there are 3 setting buttons on the front of the wand. First, I take Bumble & Bumble's Invisible Oil to prime my hair. And then I'll go in with R&Co's Blowout Balm, and I just use a tiny bit of this and put it all throughout my hair and rub it through the strands on the bottom of my hair as well, just to coat the ends while I'm blow drying so that my ends are not super dry from all the heat. And now that my hair is primed and ready to go, I'm going to turn on my blow dryer. I do use the highest setting and the highest heat, and I will just rough dry my hair. I'm going all throughout the roots, the ends, no particular order, no specific way that I'm doing this, and I'll continue to do this for quite a while. Once that's done, I do brush through my whole head, and there's no particular way, again, to do this. I just brush through my whole hair, make sure I got all the knots out, and then I'll begin sectioning my hair off. At first, you see I go half up, half down, and then I'm like, this is the first time that I've ever used this iron. Maybe I need to take a little bit more hair and section it up. And again, the way that I section my hair is not in any particular order either. I just make sure that it's nice and tight. I use this claw clip to hold everything together, and I'll section as needed. I usually take a small section on the bottom, and that'll be the true determination on how my hair is going to come out. I continue brushing each section as I take them down, whether they're in the front, back, side, doesn't matter. And then I begin breaking those sections into smaller sections. And here you're going to see me remove with the lock button the attachment and put on the curling wand. And my first instinct is just to kind of feel it myself, see which way the air is going, and I'm kind of figuring it out live here with you, exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. Am I supposed to be wrapping from the front or from the back? Finally, the hair latches on, I roll it up, hold it there, and I'm pretty impressed. I leave it there for about 10 seconds. I'm also feeling, because I want to see if the hair is actually getting hot, and right here I'm looking for the cool shot button so that I can cool the curl and let it set. This moment's pretty awesome because I finally released my first curl, and I am so impressed by the way that the hair has held up and the type of curl that I got from this wand. And now that I have a pretty good idea of exactly what I'm working with, I'll keep doing this same exact method throughout my entire head, of course sectioning different portions of my hair as I go up to my crown. This section's pretty funny because I finally take out my hair on one side of my head and it looks perfect, and I don't realize that the arrow really means that I need to switch barrels, so I have a hard time figuring out exactly which way I'm supposed to be wanding my hair. I keep doing the same exact way for about 3 times, and then finally I change and I understand what I'm supposed to do. There we go. Now we got it. I'm finally going to take a second to really look at the side of my hair, and I really love it so much. I love that. Looks awesome, and I'm so excited with how this is coming out. More and more impressed with every single curl. Now onto the next section. Again, in no particular order, I'm just going to take a small portion of my hair down, brush it through, not crazy about how it looks before I wand it, and then I'm going to go in with the wand and work some magic. I truly have to say that this is probably my favorite part of doing my hair, this section, because you can really start to appreciate the volume and the shape that the hair is taking. You're going to want to leave the wand on these pieces for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then you're going to want to hit it with a cool blast shot really quick as you're unraveling the hair just to keep it set. I do have to say that the top and the back part of my hair really was the hardest for me. The barrels with the arrows really did make a huge difference here, and I should have probably changed them at this point. And it's about right here that I noticed that there are 2 of the same barrels with 2 different arrows on them for each side of your head to go in different directions, so everything isn't blown the same way. Yep, nice. Now as we're just about finished up here, soon you're going to see me section off my hair in the front, my fringe area, and I'm going to be switching the attachments so that I can go into the fringe and blow out my bangs. For my bangs, since I can remember, I've been using the same exact technique, blowing my hair out to the front towards my face, because as you'll see in a second, when I push my hair to the back, it'll be very, very voluminous and bouncy. Now I'm going to go in with my brush and just brush through the hair. It may be scary to do this because you don't want to lose any waves, but it'll be worth it in the end. Your hair is going to be so well mended together and it's going to look so, so silky smooth. And now that you're pretty much done, you could play with your hair and really style it however you want. A piece behind your ear, maybe another clip on the other side. It's really up to you. I just wanted to stand up so I could show you exactly how bouncy the hair is. I'm so happy with it. I really am impressed with the Dyson Air Wrap, and in my opinion, I definitely think it's worth the hype.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and turn on your notifications to see more. You guys can always follow me on my Instagram to see when I'm uploading. My Instagram name is YouHadMeAtCosmetics, spelled exactly how it sounds. And I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.